The Traffic Jeet software is actually a part of the Traffic Jeet suite, which has 5 other awesome YouTube marketing applications in addition to the one that I'm going to show you now. This software is actually the flagship product of the suite. It has a number of features that will make it easier for you to achieve great success in YouTube marketing. So let's get started and see how it works. Traffic Jeet is the full-featured video market research and analytics software. It gives you a lot of powerful tools to do basic keyword and market research, and also to monitor and track your own videos, your rankings, and your competitors' videos and rankings. It is divided into 6 modules. The first one, Find Keywords, will help you find more keywords from any niche you target. This way you can get all the keywords you want to target by your videos. The second module, Top Videos, will let you discover what are the top ranking videos for any keyword, and you will also be able to get important ranking data for each video. The third function is Analyze Video, which will give you the power to see details for any particular video and also see the keywords which that video is targeting. So you can target the same keywords in your own video and rank against your competitor's video very rapidly. The fourth module is the Video Ranker, which will actually let you track the performance of any video or a group of videos over a period of time and also compare them with each other. This will let you compare your competitors' videos and discover what is actually working the best in your market and how you're doing against your competitors. The next feature is the Keyword Checker. This is a quick tool which will tell you what keywords have a video on the front page of Google, and if a keyword has no video on the front page of Google, you can target it and rank your video very rapidly on Google. Finally, the last feature is the Rank Checker. This module will tell you how your videos are doing in rankings for specific keywords and whether they've gone up or down in ranks. This way you can actually find out how your videos are doing over time and use that data to fine-tune your strategy, to discover what niches you are doing the best in and to discover what niches you are not doing so well in, and maybe you can concentrate on the profitable markets or concentrate on the videos that are making you the money. Okay, now let's see each feature in detail. So let's click on Find Keywords. When you click on Find Keywords, you will see a little box that pops up, and it has a space where you can type in the keyword you want to search for, and you can also get the other keywords that you've already looked for in the history. But right now let's go for a new keyword. Let's go for salsa dance and click on Go. So Traffic Jeet will now take some seconds. It will fetch the data from YouTube and it will show you the keywords which are related to the keyword we typed in, which it got from YouTube. So they're all video keywords, and you will find that it has some very interesting data. In addition to the actual keywords, it has got the broad matches, the phrase, and exact search matches for the keywords that it's returning. So you can actually know how competitive the keywords are and how popular they are. For example, take the top keyword salsa dancing. It has about 70,000 broad matches every month, so it's being returned in about 70,000 broad search results every month. For the phrase match, it's 49,600, and for exact searches it's 32,600, which is a very good number. So you know that if you are able to rank a video on this keyword, you can get some huge amount of traffic. So you can go through this list, you can find out the keywords which are not so competitive, which can give you the results you need, which can bring you on the top 10 positions, and you can capitalize on the traffic that you get from this. So here are the keywords that you have which are related to the one we searched for. Similarly, you can search for any niche, get the keywords, get the competition analysis, get the search analysis, and make an informed decision about which keyword to target. And there are some very interesting more features you can actually sort all this data by any of the headers you want. So if I want, I can sort it by broad matches and exactly find out what are the most popular keywords according to the broad match results, and I can scroll down and I can find the keywords which are good for me, which I can target and which I can probably rank for pretty rapidly. So you can sort it by any of the headers. You can sort it by broad match, by phrase match, by exact match, whatever you want, right? And there are some other interesting features too. You can actually check if there are any videos on the front page of Google for the keyword that you're targeting. Now the videos that we are targeting are actually dance oriented, so I imagine that they've got a video for for every one of these keywords on the front page. So yeah, when we click on this, it will take a second and it will quickly tell us whether there's a video on the front page. Now here's a little trick. If no video is ranking on the front page for the keyword that you are checking, you can target exactly that keyword through your video and rank not just on the first page of YouTube, but also on the first page of Google, which can get you a huge amount of traffic. So do that and you will definitely have better results. So when you're done, you can actually export all of these results into a CSV file, which you can then get into MS Excel or any other your spreadsheet that you're using and work with that. It will actually let you decide what columns you want to export. So just click on those, uncheck the ones that you don't want and click on OK, and then you can save a file, choose a file path, a name for the file, and then you can click save to get the CSV file. Now I used the mouse click procedure on the question mark button to get the first page ranking on Google, but you can also click on this button, which will give you the rankings for all of the videos, but that takes some time, about maybe 30 seconds, 45 seconds. So I'm not going to do this, but if you're doing your analysis and you don't want to click on every question mark, don't want to click on every question mark button, you can quickly click on this and it will get the data one by one for each of these keywords, and you can find which are the keywords that don't have any videos on the front page of Google and target those. So this is how the find keywords feature works. Let's go to the next one now. The next feature that we want to check is top videos, and we'll just type in the keyword that we want to work with in the box that appears and click on go. So this will actually load up a list of the top ranking videos for the keyword that we've selected. And you can see here that this is the top ranking video, this is the first video for the keyword, and as you go down the list, you can see other videos which are ranking for the keyword that we fed in. And you will also see some very useful data which can help you decide how well you can rank for this keyword. Things like the video age. So this video is only 28 days old, this one's 1 year old, this one's 2 years old, and you'll notice that on YouTube, the videos that are older, that have got a lot of views, likes, comments, etc., tend to do pretty well. So you can decide how well you're competing against, or how well you can compete against your other videos or the other videos on YouTube for that result. And you'll also see data like the number of views that this video has got, the total number of views, that is the rating that this video has received, the number of dislikes, the number of likes, and the number of comments, and also the category that this video is targeting. So all of this information can actually help you decide what videos you want to compete against, whether you want to be on this niche at all, and also to learn how well the other competitors in your niche are doing, so that you can decide whether you want to be in this niche, whether you want to target it, will it be profitable for you or not. And here's something very interesting. You can actually quickly take the descriptions for each video, copy it and paste it into your own video, or do whatever you want with it. And there's a little button over here, the search button, and if you click on this, you will be taken to the analyzed video screen, where in addition to all of this information, you will also get to see the keywords that this video is targeting. So let's go and do it for the top result for our keyword. Click on this and it will load up the video statistics or the video details for the video that we have clicked. And you will see that in addition to the other information, there is also the tags used in the video listed right at the bottom. So this video is targeting tags like salsa dancing, salsa dance, salsa how to dance salsa, and so on. And you can actually quickly put these tags in your own video and get the benefits of all the research that your competitors might have done. You won't have to do so much. You can just use the research and rank for those keywords, and also appear on the suggested videos list for the video that you are competing against. So this is a great way to get market intelligence from your competitors' video. You can do that for a couple of videos, and you will know exactly what's going on in the market, what keywords people are using, and you can target those keywords and get ranking very rapidly. So this is how the top videos feature works. And we also saw the analyze video feature, which is basically you can either access it from this video, from the top videos list, or if you want, you can actually paste the URL of any video that you've got and see the analysis, see the keywords, and see the data for that particular video. So just grab it from your browser address bar, paste it here, and you'll be taken to an analysis screen like this one with the keyword data, with all the other data. The next feature we want to check is called the video ranker, which compares videos ranks and performances over the time. So click on this and you will get the facility to create a set. So a set is actually a group of videos. So you give it a name, and in that set you put in as many videos as you want, and Traffic Jeet will actually compare the videos performances over the time. Every time you run this, every time you run that set, and it will get the fresh data which it will display in a graph. So I don't want to create a new set today, because if I create a new set, I will just get the data for that particular day. Instead, I'm going to work with a set that I created a few days ago called test. So whatever sets you create, it will be added to this list. You can delete it if you want later, but for now let's double click on test and open the set that I already created. So this set has actually got two videos which are over here. They are the URLs. You can click on the URLs to actually visit the video page on YouTube in your browser, or you can delete them if you want. And you can see here that my videos are, the video performance is being shown here. So you can see that the video called Education English has actually gone up quite a bit. It's you can just by seeing the graph you will know that it's accelerating, and in a little while it will cross the total number of views of the other video, which is Office English. So this way you can actually find out which videos are doing better over time, which videos are getting more views in a very graphical manner, and you can add as many videos as you want to a set. Right, to do that, all you need to do is click on this link over here which says add a new video to the set. Click here, just type in the URL and click go, and that's it. You will be able to get the data of that video too. So I use it often to compare 5-6 different videos which are competing with mine, and to understand which video is doing the best, and then I try and do what that video is doing right. And if you scroll down a bit, you can see the actual data of the things that have changed. So on February 11, which is today when I'm making the video, it has 1866 views, and earlier on Jan 23 it had 1500 views with 9 comments, and the second video has had 842 views, and now it has 1700 views. So this can actually tell you how well your videos or how well your competitors' videos are doing over time. So let's close this and go back to the main software, and now let's check the keyword checker. Let's see how it works. So if you click on it, you will see a little box which will let you type in all the keywords you want or paste them in, and it will quickly tell you whether there are any videos for the keywords you are checking on the front page of Google. So if there are no videos on the front page of Google for these keywords or for any of the keywords, you can target those keywords through your YouTube video and you can get ranked pretty rapidly. So let's check the keyword that we put in earlier. Let's put in salsa dance. And also another keyword, let's go for bottle opener, because that might not have a video on the front page, and click on check for videos. So this will take a couple of seconds, and now you can see that there is indeed a video on the front page of Google for salsa dance, and there is none for bottle opener. So if I target bottle opener, I will be able to rank a video very easily, or relatively easily, on the front page of Google, which will bring me a lot more visitors, a lot more viewers to my video. The next feature is the rank checker. Using the rank checker, you can actually track how the video is performing, how any video is performing for the keywords that you specify over a period of time. So you can just put in the video title, the video URL, and add the video. But of course I don't have the older data, so I can't show you this for a new video. What I'm gonna do instead is take the video that I fed in earlier, double click on it, and you can see that it's fetching the fresh ranks. And here I fed in only one keyword. So you can see here for the keyword at a hotel, my video is ranking at number 3, and I last checked it again at 11th Feb, which is today, by the way. So I checked it earlier once. And here you can see the background of this particular column is green, which means that the rank is either better, it's either improved, or it's the same as the rank that we checked last. But if you click on it, you will get to see the data for all the dates you checked the video on. So I checked it earlier on 24th Jan, twice actually, and my rank was second then. So I know now that my video has actually dropped one rank, and then I want to find out why this happened. So I'll be able to know whenever my videos go up and down the ranking for any keywords, and I can then investigate. I can check what videos have dropped in comparison to mine, or what videos have climbed, and I can use this data to fine tune my video productions to target keywords better and get better rankings on YouTube. So this is what the Traffic Jeet software does. It's an important tool for any professional video marketer, any professional video producer, because it helps you, one, in getting the best keywords. It helps you analyze and understand competitor videos. It helps you track data, and it also helps you grab the first page position on Google for keywords that are not being targeted yet by other video marketers. So this tool can be a very important asset for you when you actually run your video marketing campaigns, and when you want to make the maximum profits from your videos that you produce on YouTube. So stick around for the other demos too, because there are not